Hello everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the amazing XLOOKUP. So in the past few weeks, I updated my Office to the new 365, and in Excel, everyone knows that the XLOOKUP is one of the most amazing new features in Excel. So in this video, I'm going to explain how it works. I will not go into details how exactly it works, but I will explain the concept and the difference between vlookup, hlookup, and XLOOKUP. So let's get started. So in this table here, I have this country name, region, continent, and capital. And if I'm using vlookup, I will be searching for the country name. This will be my lookup value. And if I want any of these three values here, these would be my column index number, 2, 3, 4, or I could use even 1 to get the same country name. And if I am using hlookup, this will be my lookup array, and one of these values will be my lookup value, and then I specify this entire table here as the row index number. Okay, I wrote here column or row index number. And as you know, one of the limitations on vlookup or hlookup that it works only one way, one direction. You specify the column at the left, and the remaining columns at the right are the values you can retrieve. Or if you're using hlookup, you specify the row, and the below row you can retrieve. I have other videos that shows how to do the other way around, but since we have the XLOOKUP, no need for that. So the XLOOKUP actually, it works in all different directions. That's why I have this cross here. You can return value from, you specify a row, for example, and you can return values below or after the row. You can specify this column and you can get value from this column, or this column, okay? So in XLOOKUP, you have the lookup value, you search for specific value, and then you specify the lookup array. It could be this one, or this one, or this one, if you're using columns, or any row you would like. And then you specify the return array. This is something new. It wasn't, this is kind of replacing the column index number. So you can, for example, specify this column as the lookup array, and this column here, or this one, as the return array, okay? And they added something new. It's called not found. If the value is not found, instead of giving you, it automatically gives you an A, but you could use it to create a new function. The match part of the XLOOKUP and vlookup remains the same, but they added something called search mode. Okay, so this is just to explain the main differences between XLOOKUP and vlookup. XLOOKUP, it works in all different directions: vertical, horizontal, right to left, left to right, upside down, from bottom to up, in all different directions. Okay, so this is just a quick video to explain the main difference between XLOOKUP and vlookup. I will post another video to show you exactly step by step how to use the amazing XLOOKUP. Thank you so much. Take care.